So volatile material. Volatile material, what is the basic principle of the volatile material that you have to determine by the proximate analysis of the coal. Now 925 degrees centigrade up to the temperature you have to provide from the muffle furnace into the coal or the sample where the moisture free coal will be there into the muffle furnace. Coal molecule undergo thermal degradation. Thermal degradation will be there, and the product of volatile material or the volatile matter in muffle furnace will be removed easily. Okay, then method. What is the method? How can you provide the method? How can you provide the procedure of the to remove the volatile material in actual? The moisture freed coal taken into the crucible with the desiccator lid covered, put into the muffle furnace, heat about the 925 degrees centigrade for about 7 minutes. The minute is that 7. What is the time that you have to put up into the coal sample by the examine of the to remove the volatile material free? Now the 7 minutes is applicable to remove the volatile material from the furnaces into the coal. Then now 7 minutes you have to put up the coal material into the muffle furnace and cooled into the desiccator, then again the weight up. Now what is the formula that you have to use to determine the volatile material percentage? So there is a volatile material percentage is equal to the weight of volatile matter divided by weight of the coal into 100 degrees centigrade into the 100. So volatile material percentage is that the formula of volatile material. What will the formula of the volatile material will becomes out? Weight of the volatile material divided by weight of the actual coal present into the crucible into 100. So it is totally comes into the percentile values of the volatile material. So it is the formula that you have to apply for the volatile material as well. W1 is the weight of the coal in which the volatile material is present. W2 is the weight of the coal in which the volatile material is totally freed, divided by the weight of the actual coal present in the you have to take in before the analysis of the coal into 100. So it will come to the percentile values of the volatile material. It is the second parameter of the coal that as far as concerned the proximate analysis of the coal. Now the third parameter that you have to use to determine the ash percentage from the coal as far as concerned the proximate analysis of the coal. It is the simple method that you have to determine the ash percentage from the coal. That is, what is the principle that you have to apply to determine the ash percentage of the from the coal? What is the principle? That principle is that the inorganic matter in the coal gets oxidized to form of metal oxides and silica, which is non-combustible and left as ash. What are the ash substance present after the burning of the coal? So it may be in the form of metal oxide which is not burned, and in the form of the silica. These are the material which is not responsible to burn into the coal from the coal and remains as an ash content from the coal. So what is the method that you have to apply to remove the ash content from the coal? It is a simple method that moisture free and volatile freed coal which having the weight W2 taken into the crucible with open lid. That means the crucible will be open without lid. Put into the furnace, then you have to apply, put up into the furnace, then apply the temperature. The muffle furnace temperature is that 750 degrees centigrade for a half hour. What is the time limit that you have to put up the coal sample into the muffle furnace for removing the ash substance, that is half hour. Coal completely burnt and ash will be left. Then now weight it accurately. W3 is the weight of the ash left. Then what is the percentage value of the ash? It is the simply you have to calculate that weight of the ash. The last weight you have to determine into the crucible, that is the ash. So you have to weight the actual weight. You have to determine the weight of the ash, that is W3, and divide by W into 100. Okay, then it will comes to the percentage of the ash substance from the coal. And the last one is the you have to determine the fixed carbon values. What is the fixed carbon values present into the coal? It is important because you have to determine the calorific value of the fuel. So calorific value of the fuel, you have to first determine the percentile values of the carbon. It is very important. So fixed carbon percentage will be there when you have to determine all the percentile values of the moisture, volatile percentage, as well as the ash percentage. You have to sum up all the content. Then you have to subtract from 100 percentage, and the answer will comes out the percentage value of the carbon, that is the fixed carbon percentile value. So it is the proximate analysis of the coal, which is an important topic as far as concerned the fuel topic, and the proximate analysis which always comes into the question paper, and you should have to prepare it accurately. So thanks for the students. Thank you for all.